Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to make a 2x2 picture in Canva. So first of all, you need to open up the Canva application or access its official website. So once you're here, click on Create a Design button. Now, you need to scroll down and you will see different options. So from the available options, what you need to do is click on Customize Size. Now, the next step is to change the pixels into inches and add width as 2 and length as 2 as well. Now this is going to be our 2x2 picture. Now go ahead and start your customization. You can add a logo or picture or whatever you want depending on your needs. So that is exactly how you can make a 2x2 picture in Canva. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.